So here's the thing. We as humans are utterly incapable of living or thriving or healing or developing or innovating or doing anything fantastical, really, including changing our world for the better or even leaving it without mining. And I'm not talking crypto here, nor am I talking about square heads or shiny diamond swords. I mean the digging in the earth and pulling out rocks kind of mining with big metal machines. You know, the kind of mining a lot of people don't seem to think happens anymore, but it does. And if you want to drive an electric car to reduce your big old carbon footprint, yep, you need mining. Or maybe you want to develop a wonder drug to obliterate cancer. How about putting out a fire or starting a fire? Adding some eyeliner? Taking off in an airliner, shopping, dining, growing, protesting, bench pressing. Look, reality is that anything anybody wants to do in this, our modern world, they and you and me and everyone in between all need mining. But it's true, mining, like everything else in this world, could be better. And you could be the one to help make it that way. Truth is, the mining industry needs you and others like you to consider a career in this technologically advanced industry. It offers fantastic pay, global travel opportunities, machines bigger than your house, a huge variety of job descriptions, and a chance to change the world by forever changing the ways we mine. So, give it a thought. Look it up and dig in at South Dakota Mines.